Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Denis, and today you already know that I will be showing you guys step by step on how to transfer all of your cryptocurrencies out of the Binance exchange into your Trust wallet, your whatever digital wallet that you're using, or even your cold wallet. It applies to all of the wallets. All of the steps are pretty much the same, so as long as you finish watching this video, you'll definitely know how to send your cryptocurrency from one exchange into another, or even to your wallet. So right now I'm actually in my Trust wallet, and let's just say I want to transfer my Bitcoin into my Trust wallet as an example. I actually had like a seizure there, but let's just get into it. You click into Bitcoin, you click into receive. So right here you guys can just go ahead and copy the address and then go over to Binance. Click withdraw in Binance because you have to deposit the Bitcoin from Binance into Trust wallet. So what you gotta do is deposit into Trust wallet but withdraw from Binance. I hope that I make this clear enough. So let's just go ahead and paste your Trust wallet address into the Binance exchange, and then the network, it will automatically appear as Bitcoin. And then right here you guys can go ahead and click into your preferred amount and go ahead and click withdraw. So let's just say you want to withdraw it, go ahead and click confirm. All you gotta do is to wait up to 10 minutes for a Bitcoin transaction to go through, because that is a standard waiting time for Bitcoin transactions. It's normal. So do not panic. Choose the right network. Make sure that you're actually using the right network, as different coins have different network. Let's just say Ethereum works on the ERC20 and Bitcoin works on a BTC. So before you go ahead and make a transaction from one wallet to another, definitely make a small transaction before you transfer the whole portfolio over, because that is when a lot of people are making mistakes when they're transferring their crypto out of one wallet to another. There will be a little bit of fees, and sure, if you're transferring two times, let's just say the first one is the test one and the second one is the official transfer, you'll be paying a little bit more fees, but better safe than sorry, am I right? So right now I'm going to show you guys how to transfer your cryptocurrencies from one exchange into another exchange. So for example, you want to transfer your cryptocurrency from Binance into Huobi, right? So you guys can see that I'm in Huobi. Go ahead and click into balances, look for Bitcoin, and therefore just go ahead and do the same thing. Deposit, okay, and then copy the address and then paste it, withdraw in Binance, and then paste it on Binance. And you guys can go ahead and see that it is still BTC. Choose the amount that you want to transfer, click withdraw and confirm, and then wait up to 5 to 10 minutes like I mentioned earlier, and then you'll actually see it in your other exchange or the wallet that you're trying to transfer to. It is almost all the same, one side withdraw and one side deposit. So you guys don't have to waste all of your time watching some kind of 10-minute video over just how to transfer your cryptocurrencies from here to there. Because if you are a long-time viewer of this channel, you know that I am not a big fan of wasting people's time. So if you made it till this far, I hope that I helped you. If you guys have any more questions on how to transfer, or you guys have any more questions on whatever it is relating to cryptocurrencies, definitely hit me up in my Instagram DMs and I'll be sure to help you guys as soon as possible. So the reason why I made this video is because I'm afraid that you guys will start to feel panic that Binance will be banned in Malaysia. That is the whole reason why I made this video, and it might help you to actually transfer your cryptocurrency out of Binance exchange into somewhere that is much more safer than that. I hope this video helped you, and there are no ads on my videos, so if it did help you, definitely smash the like button, as it only takes you 2 seconds and it means the world to me. With that being said, I hope to see you guys in the next video.